So hello guys, this is Jerome Pumpat and I'm going to show you how to use multimeter to measure the voltage. So this is the materials, the battery and the cables and the multimeter. So let's start with the first step is plug the red test leads into the positive socket and the black one into the negative comb. So let's plug. Then second step is set the range selector to the selected DC voltage range position. So let's set, and let's set to the highest. Then the third step is connect the red test leads to the positive polarity of the circuit tested and the black one into the negative. So this is it. So as you can see, not moving or a little bit. So let's move to 250 down. Let's try again. Little bit only again to try to move to 50. And think it. So let's move to 10. So you can see the pointer pointed in the middle of 8 and 10. So our value of this voltage battery is 9 volts. So that's all.